Hello everyone, I am Saurabh.
I am Aditya. This is assignment 2 of ELL212 and our video is related to electromagnetic bomb. An EM bomb is a weapon that uses an intense EM field to create a brief pulse of energy that affects electronic circuitry without harming humans or building. At low level, the pulse temporarily disables electronic system, but at very high level completely destroy any electronic circuitry, thus disabling any type of machine that uses electricity. The two basic principles behind EM bomb are first, Compton effect, second, electromagnetic pulse. First, I will describe Compton effect. Compton effect is result of high energy photon colliding with the target, which releases loosely bound electron from the outer shell of atom or molecule. Now the second effect is electromagnetic pulse effect. It is an electromagnetic shock wave. This pulse of energy produces a powerful EM field sufficiently strong to produce short-lived transient voltages of thousands of volts on exposed electrical conductors like wire. This can cause irreversible damage to a wide range of electrical and electronic equipment. The technology base for conventional EM bomb is based on FCG, that is fluxed compression generator. That device is capable of producing electrical energy of tens of megajoule in tens to hundred of microsecond of time in a relatively compact package. The FCG may be used directly or as one-shot pulse power supplies for microwave tube. The current produced by large FCG is between 10 to 1000 times greater than the typical lightning stroke. The stator winding and armature cylinder are separated by empty space or insulator. Capacitors connected to stator set electrical current through wires which generate intense magnetic field. Fuse mechanism ignite the explosive material. Explosion travel as a wave through the middle of the armature cylinder and passes through it. Cylinder come in contact with the stator winding which create a short circuit and cuts the stator off from its power supply. Moving the short circuit compresses magnetic field which generate intense EM burst. Now some EM bomb target. An EM bomb could effectively neutralize vehicle control system, targeting system, communication system, navigation system, long and short range sensor system.
Some of the various firing options are aircraft dumb bombs, GPS or satellite guided bombs, standoff missiles, cruise missiles.
Now I will describe the utility of EM bomb, electronic combat. Electronic combat operation using EM bomb involve attacking radars, command control system, and air defense weapon system that can be targeted against multiple targets achieving much better result. Strategic warfare. Military equipments are vulnerable under population, radio and TV receivers, under economic vitals, finance and stock market, manufacturing, petroleum, under transport infrastructure, signaling and vehicle ignition system. Now theater warfare. Under offensive counter-air operation, disable aircraft in flight on ground and destroy their supporting infrastructure. And under sea control, disable surface combatants prior to attack. The punitive missions. The E-bomb is a punitive weapon as it can cause much economic and military damage with no loss of civilian life. Now I will briefly describe some of the advantages. Not lethal to human. Negligible collateral damage. Can be delivered by any tactical aircraft capable of delivering GPS guided munitions. Simplicity of electromagnetic bomb in comparison to ARM. Now some disadvantages. Means of delivering E-bomb are difficult. Difficulty in killing assessment. Atmospheric propagation of pulse. Now I will conclude this video by stating some of the important points related to EM bomb. These are non-lethal weapon and can be used to create electrical mass destruction. Decisive advantage in conduct of electronic combat and high payoff in using EM bomb against fundamental infrastructure result in substantial paralysis.
References. Thank you for watching this video.